Melejijokpom, melejijokpom. I am happy. Elejijokpoma, elejijokpoma. Are you happy? Melewojom, melewojom. I am waiting for you. Miakpowo, miakpowo. We will see them. Nkeke amenenyunawo, nkeke amenenyunawo. Have a good day. Bonusiada, bonusiada. Look at this thing. Mese egome, mese egome. I understand it. Nyemese egome o, nyemese egome o. I don't understand it. Blue aka, blue aka. Say it again. Blue blow, blue blow. Say it slowly. Akakagade emanao, akakagade emanao. You will be fine. Taflache, badenye. Taflache, badenye. Please help me. Akpe, akpe. Thanks. Akpe nawo, akpe nawo. Thank you. Akpe nto, akpe nto. Thank you very much. Mauna yirao, mauna yirao. May God bless you. Mava egbe, mava egbe. I will come today. Mava echosigbona, mava echosigbona. I will come tomorrow. Mayi echosigbona, mayi echosigbona. I will go tomorrow. Mayi lefieme, mayi lefieme. I will go in the evening. Miagadogo aka, miagadogo aka. We will see each other again. Afikainei, afikainei. Where did you go? Nukainya esia, nukainya esia. What is this? Nukainya Emma, nukainya Emma. What is that? Amakai wonye, amakai wonye. Who is he or she? Nukatai neva, nukatai neva. Why did you come? Nukatai neva. Why did you come? Mejujo ewawo, mejujo ewawo. I have stopped doing that. Mehianaga, mehianaga. I need money. Ga mele asinye o, ga mele asinye o. I don't have money. Nuka womnele, nuka womnele. What are you doing? Afikainele, afikainele. Where are you? Nuchu lale dowom, nuchu lale dowom. The man is working. Ame lale afima, ame lale afima. The person is there. Mieyi duame, mieyi duame. We went to town. Mele duame, mele duame. I am in town. Meyi agbaneflefe, meyi agbaneflefe. I went to the bookshop. Mele fofonya gbo, mele fofonya gbo. I am with my father. Dadala home, dadala home. Mother is in the room. Fofonya le dowom, fofonya le dowom. My father is working. Devila le fefem, devila le fefem. The child is playing. Wole home, wole home. They are in the room. Melon wo, melon wo. I love you. Holonye le afisia, holonye le afisia. My friend is here. Holonye va, holonye va. My friend has come. Meledanya gbo, meledanya gbo. I am with my mother. Wodogo, wodogo. They went out. Magayi o, Magayi o, don't go. Magawananama o, magawananama o, don't do that. Vuvotrula, vuvotrula, open the door. Tu votrula, close the door. Nglo nkola, write the name. Va afisia, come here. No, anyi, sit down. Cho, stand up. Zon egba, work today. Si kaba, run quickly. Makpo ama ade, I saw someone. Elle asinye, I have it. Taflache, chwe, please take it. Chonu lave, bring the thing. Yi afima, go there. Evegbenyo, ewe is good. Mele evegbedum, I am speaking ewe. Do evegbe, speak ewe. Messi, I hear. Makpawo, I see you. Melenunglom, I am writing. Melanuhlam, I am reading. Melanusrom, I am learning. Mefia evegbe, I teach ewe. Mele evegbe strom, I am learning ewe. Dolenya wum, I am hungry. Mahiana ndudu, I want food. Melanuwom, I am doing something. Meledowom, I am working. Ewadonto, he or she works very hard. Melenudum, I am eating. Mahianachi, I need water. Taflache namchi, please give me water. Chilanyo, the water is good. Nududulanyo, the food is good. Melasuku, I am at school. Eyisuku, he or she went to school. Meyi agle, I went to the farm. Miawo nududu, we will cook. Medunu, I ate. Afikai necho, where are you from? Mecho Ghana, I am from Ghana. Mefo nto, I am very well. Mele afisia, I am here. Elle afima, he or she is there. Melehome, I am in the room. Kindly support by liking and subscribe. Thanks for watching.